at Clark's place.
Well, well, your car's spun around. We're showing your car.
Oh yeah, we can flip around.
If
real
you've
quick.
got a factory 4-speed car,
Make sure I'm not gonna hit my fenders.
we're gonna hit.
No, good.
You have a factory 4-speed car. First, you have the exhaust bracket here on one side. You have this one bolted through on automatically. Or not 4-speed.
Factory dual exhaust.
Dual exhaust. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
The factory 4-speed part is when you have this bracket, which I've already had a video on for the Z-bar.
I posted that one. You put it in.
Yeah.
So this car is what? A 318 car,
318
whatever.
car that I'm doing for using the Janet kit doing the Daytona. So you can buy this bracket, which already has a plate. This lays here.
Where'd you get it? I'll put a link in that Classic Industries. You got it?
I think Classic Industries.
Okay.
Pretty well lines up. I marked it and I started to make a hole.
Just on the 4 dimples that come from the factory, huh?
Yeah, there's 4 dimples there. They line up with this. And all I'm going to do is, I think I did one, is drill out.
All the dimples.
Yeah, just with the small one. Actually, I can do the big one now. And then take the bigger one.
Looks like that's a little up left.
I know it, but that's I think
the dimple?
That was the dimple.
I'll speed through all this.
Okay. Okay. Watch, it won't be the right size hole. Yeah. Yeah, it's not the right size hole.
Well, make them bigger.
I will. Anyway.
Is there a way that this dot goes? Apparently it's for something.
Lines up at that dot, I think.
No? Let's look at mine. See what the heck.
Yeah, it does. It lines up with the hole.
Yeah, because there's a dimple in it. Mine's got something sticking out here.
Okay.
Bring the flashlight over. Or Abe, just grab a flashlight there. There's something like a screw that sticks through.
Oh, I see. Well, if one guy was putting it in, he puts the screw in there.
Let's see what screws sticking through there.
Just in the plate.
Just another like hole.
That holds it in so one guy can mount it, go around the other side, put that on, and put the screws on.
I bet you're right.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, well I guess it's a one guy job, so you need to leave.
Don't need that.
No.
So
anyway, that's what this is for. I'll put the nuts on it. We don't need to show the whole thing. I'm gonna have to make the holes a little bigger.
yeah, make the holes a little bigger, and we'll show mounting it and all that.
Yeah,
and it's not going to be permanent because you still got painting and I don't know. I would prime that first, and then prime that all the sides.
I know.
But yeah, let's see what it looks like installed here in 2 seconds.
All right, hang on.
All right, looks good. This is temporarily mounted.
It's not tight. The plates on the inside sticks through with the 4 bolts, and it's a plate, so it won't come through. And then this goes on top, straddles this little embossed area because it's buckled up.
Yep.
And that'll tighten down. I'm going to take it back off, but
Looks just like that one.
I'll probably prime
That's
off.
factory all welded in. Every car gets a welded one.
Yeah, because everybody has an exhaust, at least a single. It must come down the passenger side on all of them.
Yep.
And then dual exhaust, you need another one over here, so comes down the line, they boom boom, they drill those out and they throw it in, and there is a screw hole right here, and on the inside
they must put it over those dimples and screw it in.
So that holds the plate in to where it's just studs sticking out, and the next guy down the line has this piece.
Yeah,
and
maybe.
he slaps it on with, and
That's how I would imagine
Yeah.
it's done, but
we don't know, we weren't there.
yeah, true.
Anyway,
Looks good. I like it. So you need one of those if you're running dual exhaust.
yep,
Anything else for Clark's Place today?
that's it. I'm just gonna leave it on there. I know where it is.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.